Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting, outrageous toy review. Today we're taking a look at the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Xtreme Preformance Vehicle RC Skateboarding Mikey. Yay! This is an awesome RC vehicle. It's got a big Michelangelo on a skateboard, and when he wipes out, he can get back up. This awesome RC Mikey can do 1-foot spins and 360s. The back of the box shows how it can wipe up, get up, and go. The back of the box even tells us that it can say over 20 sounds. I'm just a party dude. The figure can do manuals, 360s, 720s, and 1-foot spins. Let's get this awesome Skateboarding Mikey by Jakks Pacific out of the package! We just got this Michelangelo out of the package. You can see the box contains a really big Michelangelo figure. He's static in an awesome skateboarding pose. We got this cool yellow, orange, and black skateboard. And a remote control! The remote control plays some awesome sounds. Where do turtles like to skateboard more than anywhere else? In the sewers!
This is gonna be epic! Stop what you can't even see! Oh yeah! Michelangelo is on the move! Booyakasha! No way! You don't know what to do. I'm here. I'm there. I can be anywhere.
Oh man, this thing is so rad! I had a blast driving it around. There was a little bit of a learning curve because there's only 2 buttons on the remote control, forward and turn. But once I kind of got the hang of that, this thing was sweet. Skateboarding Mikey's rugged. He was going off of jumps, flipping over, rolling on the floor, doing all kinds of stuff. Skateboarding Michelangelo is pretty awesome. I gotta give a big shout out to my friends at Jakks Pacific for sending this Skateboarding Mikey to us so we could take a look at it. Booyakasha! Thanks for watching this super exciting, outrageous toy review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Later!